Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to design an Audi R8 in car parking multiplayer. First, navigate to your garage and select the Audi R8 model. Once chosen, head to the paint shop. Here, you can pick a striking primary color. Consider a deep metallic blue or a vibrant red to make your R8 stand out. Don't forget to adjust the gloss and metallic sliders to achieve that perfect, showroom quality finish. This initial step sets the foundation for your unique design. Now, let's dive into the details with decals and wheels. The decal editor allows for incredible creativity. You can layer shapes and colors to form intricate designs or simple racing stripes. Next, move to the wheel customization. Choose from a wide array of rims, adjusting their size and offset to achieve the perfect stance. Don't overlook the brake calipers. A contrasting color like bright yellow or red can add a fantastic pop of detail. For a truly custom feel, let's adjust the suspension and boost performance. Lowering your R8 suspension gives it an aggressive, track-ready stance that looks fantastic. Then, head to the engine tuning section. Invest in upgrades like a turbocharger or improved exhaust to significantly increase horsepower and torque. Finally, explore body kits and spoilers. A sleek rear wing or a more aggressive front bumper can dramatically alter your R8's profile and improve its in-game performance. With your design complete, it's time for the final touches and a test drive. Take your newly customized Audi R8 for a spin around the map. Pay attention to how it handles and looks in different environments, making any last-minute adjustments to paint, decals, or suspension. Once satisfied, save your masterpiece to your garage to show off to friends and other players. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. This easy method ensures your R8 stands out.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.